Today, I'm going to teach you how to change main menu text in Squarespace. This is a simple but important customization that lets you control exactly what visitors see in your site's navigation, making it cleaner and more professional. First, open your browser and head to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the website where you want to change the main menu text. Simply click on that website to open it. This takes you into the specific workspace for that site where you'll have access to all its design and content options. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Website. This opens up a submenu with different sections you can edit. From there, click on Pages. This is where all your site's pages are organized and where you can control what appears in your navigation. Next, select the page whose main menu text you want to change. Once you've clicked on it, look to the right side of the screen and click the gear icon. This icon opens the page settings, where you can customize how this specific page behaves and appears across your site. Now here's where it gets important. You'll see 3 different fields, and it's good to understand what each one does. The page title is what appears at the top of the browser window when someone visits that page. The navigation title is the page's name, as it shows up in your navigation menu. This is what we're focusing on today. And finally, the URL slug is the unique web address for that page, which helps with SEO and site structure. So if you want to change the main menu text, the field you need to edit is the navigation title. Go ahead and type in the new name you want to appear in your menu. This gives you full control over how concise or descriptive your menu looks without affecting the actual page title or URL. Once you've made your change, simply click Save. Your new navigation title will now appear in the main menu, and your site's navigation will reflect the update immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed your main menu text in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.